Just sitting here reading today's newspaper. I've got lots of newspapers. Big pile. Well, just went through a whole bunch of them in Stowe. Anyways, does the United States make anything anymore? It may seem like the country that used to make everything is on the brink of making nothing. In January 2007, 200,000 U.S. manufacturing jobs vanished in the largest one-month drop, foreign labor, some companies, production overseas. But manufacturing in the United States isn't dead or even dying. It's moving upscale, following the biggest profits and becoming more efficient, just like Henry Ford did when he traded the assembly line to make the Model T. Hi, maybe I'm more exciting than the crappy, blurry newspaper. The U.S. by far remains the world's leading manufacturer by its value of goods produced. It hit a record $1.6 trillion in 2007, which, mind you, is over a year ago. Nearly double the $811 billion in 1987, 20 years ago. For every $1 of value produced in China's factories, America generates $2.50, 2.5 times as much as that Chinese crap that we all buy. So what's made in the USA these days? Well, not paintbrushes and toys and small electronics like this Casio camera that I use. The U.S. sold more than $200 billion worth of aircraft, missiles, and space-related equipment in 2007, and $80 billion worth of autos and auto parts. Deere & Company, best known for its bright green and yellow tractors, sold $16.5 billion worth of farming equipment last year, much of it to the rest of the world. There's also Caterpillar and General Electric trains. My friend's shares in GE took a dive. Then there's the energy products like gas turbines for power plants made by General Electric, computer chips from Intel, and fighter jets from Lockheed Martin. Household names like GE, General Motors, IBM, Boeing, Hewlett-Packard are among the largest manufacturers by revenue. Several trends have emerged. Today, made in the USA is more likely to be stamped on heavy equipment or the circuits that go inside other products like the TVs, toys, clothes, and other items found on store shelves, blah, 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 blah. Anyways, about 12.7 million Americans, or 8% of the labor force, still held manufacturing jobs as of last month. 50 years ago, 14.6 million people. Just a couple million more, but it was 28%, more than 3 times as much of the percentage of people, toiled in factories, sweatshops. My grandfather ran one. The numbers, though painful to those who lost jobs, show how companies are making more with less. Still, the perception of decline is likely to grow as factories and jobs vanish and imports rise for most goods we buy at stores. And I think I'll go and clean another sewer. Thanks for looking.